I did not. Bebe, khul ja be. Okay. I did not. Oh. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another day, another vlog. Bruno, you ready? Oh my god, look at that. This is all the ash from yesterday's fire. I'm very hopeful that MacBook will come today and finally I can start editing the vlog. बट पता नहीं कौन सा व्लॉग कब एडिट करूँ, क्योंकि मैंने ना बहुत सारे ऐसे शूट करके रखा है, सबको कंपाइल करके व्लॉग बनाना पड़ेगा. कॉफ़ी बनाना स्टार्ट किया बट कॉफ़ी थी नहीं. इट्स ऑल गॉन. आई हैव टू बाय अ न्यू कॉफ़ी. It's 6:40. My meeting starts at 7, so I don't have enough time to go and come back. So अपन आज black coffee बनाएंगे. What is this, Bruno? How's your morning? Good? You ready for some breakfast? Yeah? Sit. Stay. Stay. Okay, go. Black coffee is in progress. Bruno's food is all gone. We need to buy a new bag. And this coffee is also gone. Probably need to do a grocery shopping. Right, Bruno? Yeah? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're so tall. Wanna give kisses to everybody? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. And Caitlin is also up. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
That's the drone. I hope I can fly it, unbox it.
That's when you went to CostCo. I'm like, I'm gonna get just a few things.
Do you drink black coffee? And if you do, then what does your mom or dad think of black coffee? Because my mom thinks that it's a kada.
What's a card?
Kada is like a 10-20. Look at it. It's like crazy. It's like orangish, brownish. And if we get a MacBook and drone, then obviously we'll do the unboxing of that. It's like the most expensive thing I've bought ever. YouTube से लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई तुम बहुत पैसे कमाते हो. नहीं कमाता हूँ, मैं बहुत खर्चा करता हूँ. $3,500 का खर्चा हो चुका है मेरा. I can't wait to unbox this and actually fly this because I'm really excited. The update I just got from UPS. My delivery is out from Chico, so hopefully in 30-40 minutes I should get it. Can't wait. Okay, Bruno, let's go. I know you want to go out. Let's go, buddy. Look at this. दिख रहा है ये पूरा. This is all ash. I want to show you one trick which I've been working with Bruno. Okay, are we ready? Okay. Good boy. Good boy. एक और बार दिखाते, एक और बार. Wait, come here. Sit. Okay. Wait. Good boy. One more. Stay. Good boy. Such a good boy. तोड़े ना एकदम. अपना ब्रूनो एकदम छावा है भाई. अपना एक नंबर ट्रिक्स करता है. उसको एक बार सिखा दिया सब याद रहता है. बट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. लाइक एवरी डे आई स्पेंड 10-15 minutes to teach him new trick because that gives them mental stimulation. चलो काम पे जाता वापस. I think it is here. Bruno, my laptop is here. You're not excited like I am excited? It's like, okay, what do you want? आयला है अपना 3,000. अरे माँ कसम, ऐसा कैसा भाई कोई आके लेके चला जाएगा तो 3,000 का नुकसान हो जाएगा भाई. चलो फाइनली हियर इट इज. सारे ब्लॉग अब दिल से एडिट करूंगा मैं. चलो इसको सेटअप करते हैं, अनबॉक्स करते हैं. सब साफ करना पड़ेगा, करता हूँ फिर आपको मिलते हैं। It is 4:29. My church just called me to help them film a promotional video for a new depression workshop they are doing. So table is all clean and it's ready to unbox. And that's my MacBook. That's the drone which we got, and then this is I think this is my cap, which I should unbox this. Try to unbox this. Yep. It is the cap. Finally, I can give this cap, this cap to Caitlin. This is what the cap looks like. This is what the cap looks like. I think it looks good. Comment करके बताना कैसा लग रहा है. Finally, grey black जो मेरा favorite color है आ गया कुछ. Right, it's 4:58. I had to be there by 15 मिनट later क्योंकि मेरे को mics सब चार्ज करने थे, tripods वाइपोड्स डालने थे. सुनने में आया है कि सब कुछ रेडी है, स्क्रिप्ट विड सब कुछ रेडी है, तो शायद ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा, तो मैं वापस आ सकता हूँ. I have to be back again at 6:30. तो मे बी जल्दी हो सकता है. I think it's pretty good.
One take.
I believe you. Ed, you want to say hi to my audience?
Yeah, I want to say hi to your audience. I'm a big fan, Yudi. I'm a big fan.
Thank you. 5:42. Already done with the shoot. Ed was pro. Like he already had everything set up and script was ready. I had just had to film like B-rolls and take some multiple shots. You're good. All right. Let's go home, unbox it. Maybe I will unbox the drone as well and we can try to fly the drone too. Let's do some unboxing. Hi Bruno! Hi! You came with me. Hi buddy! Time to unbox. Which one should I do first? I think this one. I have been waiting for this moment, so let's go and open this thing. Oh goodness. Oh यार, कुछ भी हो, मैकबुक की जो पैकिंग होती है, माँ कसम चुम्मेश्वरी. Oh, I can't wait to use this. What is the configuration? It is 1 TB of SSD, 16 gigabytes of RAM. I know it is less, but everybody told me that it's perfectly fine. I asked a couple of YouTubers. I also asked my friend Jason, who is a videographer. He said you will have no problem editing or anything. He's editing 4K videos. His videos are even 8K as a video producer. So, and I think it has 4 gigabytes of graphic card, and it is 2.3 gigahertz 8-core Intel i9 processor. Okay. Yeah, I did not. Okay. I did not. Oh. Packing. Laptop. क्या बात है. Oh, this is so good. Wow. I love Apple designer and even the box packing, so minimalist. Like their design is so minimalist. Like look at it. Laptop charge obviously comes with this charger thingy, and then this is documentation. Nobody reads it. I don't know why they keep sending it. And then there is a charger right here. Is that it? That is it. Like I was saying, the reason I bought it from CostCo is because CostCo has 90-day of return policy, meaning आज से लेके 90 days, which will be December something. So let's say if Apple came up with some brilliant computer in their October launch event, or sorry September, next week जो launch event है उसमें उन लोग ने announce किया, तो I can always return this and you know I can use it and see how it works, and 16 GB पता चल जाएगा. 4-5 4K वीडियोस वाले भी एडिट करके देख लूँगा कि कितना रैम चाहिए वो सब. You know I can test it out and always return it and then buy the latest and greatest one from Apple. Oh. Wow, this is so good. This is. इसको चालू कर. ओहो. क्या मजा आ गया. अरे वाह, चालू हो गया ऑटोमेटिक. It has the touch bar as well, so you can see that is the touch bar. Oh, B-roll लेना पड़ता भाई इसका. This thing is all set up and ready. It looks gorgeous. I can't wait to edit all of it. I don't think I have time. 6:21. I have to be there at 6:45, so I have to leave right now. I also have to unbox this. Maybe I'll do this in the next vlog, and I also have to finish my dinner. A lot of stuff. Caitlin's mom is here. Mom, you wanna say?
Hey, hi everybody.
Everybody misses you.
I miss them. You know I do. I love them.
You look good. I like your hairstyle.
Really? Thanks,
Yeah.
son. Thank
Yeah,
you.
very nice. They're gonna do the talking and kind of enjoy and have mother-daughter time. I'm gonna go to
Yay.
church for the worship practice. I'll be back.
Good.
And tomorrow we have family night, so you'll be back tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes. I guess that's it for this one. Until our next video.
Keep smiling. Keep hustling.
Gotta hustle.
Every single day.
Bro, are you hungry? I'll give you food. Don't eat that box.
Don't.